Ever wonder why weird things happen every day? Let's uncover 5 everyday phenomena that science finally explained. When you feel chills or get goosebumps, that's your body's ancient defense system. That strange, "I've been here before" feeling? Scientists say it's your brain misfiring memory circuits, confusing new experiences with old ones. Got a song stuck in your head? That's an earworm, your brain's way of looping unfinished patterns to complete them. Yawning isn't just boredom. It's your body's way of cooling your brain to stay alert and focused. That mini electric zap when touching a doorknob? A charge buildup from friction between materials like your clothes and the air. Follow for more science behind everyday mysteries